This video provides the answers to one key question that every property owner, facility manager, insurance company, and business owner should know. That question is, what are the biggest problems commercial properties face, and what can you do to reduce the impact of these problems? Today, we're in a global pandemic, and you may be realizing the issues surrounding COVID-19 and its impacts on your organization. We're also seeing many new problems as a result of key events like retail store closings, bankruptcies, property vacancies, increased maintenance and repair costs, increased severe weather events. More people are living in multi-tenant buildings, and the need for better and efficient property management. There is a common thread that impacts all properties regardless of type, and it goes much farther back than 2020. In fact, it goes back to when commercial property was first developed. It is the costs and impact of property damage from the most common causes, which are water, temperature, humidity, security, and power loss. These damaging costs will continue long after the 2020 pandemic is over. These common causes will result in water intrusion, plumbing failure and leaks, HVAC equipment failure with the loss of heat, the loss of air conditioning and dehumidification, and even human intrusion and theft, as well as power losses leading to equipment failure in your building. While the types of commercial properties vary from retail, office, industrial, multifamily, and hotel, the high cost of repairs and maintenance remain a large operating cost impact and only increase as the buildings age. In fact, if we look at the highest operating cost per square foot, according to the Building Owners and Managers Association, or BOMA, we can see that repairs and maintenance are among the highest cost per square foot. While most property owners agree that security systems are an important part of their operating expense, it only averages about 75 cents per square foot. However, you are 50 times more likely to suffer a costly property damage event than a single security-related event, and it is 2.6 times the operating cost of security. Yet most buildings do not properly protect or limit their risks from property damage. This is the reason why repairs and maintenance are one of the biggest impacts to buildings and property management companies. Now, building owners and operators can reduce this high expense risk and properly monitor and maintain their buildings. To do that, you need to be able to identify potential risks when they happen, have the information to assess those risks, automatically control the risk, all of which will reduce the risk of property damage in buildings. The good news is the Vital Command AWSAM System is designed to perform all the critical functions for you and in all your buildings. The Vital Command AWSAM System has the intelligence and capabilities to monitor any type of property or building, to detect these common causes and risks of property damage and help prevent, inform, and report, as well as respond quickly to repair issues before they become expensive damages. Why the AWSAM System, you may ask? The AWSAM System is designed to provide intelligent solutions for better property management throughout your entire building or portfolio of buildings. It will provide enhanced visibility with vast opportunities for reduced operating and repair costs, improved preventative maintenance, better building management with efficiencies, quick repairs when problems do arise. For example, Vital Command did a 5-year study of a multi-tenant high-rise with just 52 units. It used the current Vital Command AWSAM System auto water shutoff, and they saved $5 million over the 5-year study on just water damage alone. Now, the new AWSAM System with Command Center can detect, monitor, and repair all the major causes of property damage, increasing the detection and protection of all types of buildings wherever they are located. Unlike other systems designed for residential, the AWSAM System is designed for commercial grade to provide you with pinpoint secure monitoring, capable of telling you all the points of concern in your building. Detect and help prevent the major causes of damage that all types of commercial buildings may encounter. Not only can the AWSAM system detect these issues, but when used with the AWSAM Command Center, it can provide immediate response with services to ensure the buildings are repaired quickly and back to operating normally, really reducing the impact on the cost of damage. So, the answer to the key question at the beginning of this video is, commercial and multi-tenant property owners must rethink how they have been operating in the past, as well as how they will address the high operating costs, especially in the current age of uncertainty. The new technology and solution Vital Command offers all property owners and managers is reduced operating costs and management efficiencies, while providing full visibility to detect, reduce, and prevent the most common causes of property damage. Here is just one example of the peace of mind you will experience with the AWSAM system. When you get a leak, the AWSAM sensor detects the water and it sends a message to the valve controller, shutting off the water, stopping the flood, stopping the damage.
Shake it up, stop when the clock hits 13. You've been working, but you're flirting with the weekend. You can freak out. 1 in a million. You're a gem shine when the light grows dim.
Now the awesome peace of mind you experience. You get a text message telling you the water's detected, the water has been shut off, and the water leak has ended. As an option, you have a plumber dispatched knowing when a plumber arrives and when he fixes the problem. Once the system is fixed, you can turn the water back on right from your phone. This is your awesome experience. Please like and subscribe to Vital Command. Protect, know, respond, save. Get awesome.